Hi everybody, Dashboard Yogi with today's earth-saving tip. So, write this down, spud.com, spud.com. It's an online organic grocery store that delivers the products right to your home. Why is this so exciting? 3 reasons. You get to save yourself time by not having to go to the grocery store. You also get to save yourself money by not having to drive to the grocery store. As far as the environment goes, we're helping by not driving to the grocery store, so we're cutting down on the carbon emissions. But more than that, much of the produce that it comes from spud.com is locally grown. So we're cutting down on the emissions from all the fruits and vegetables being shipped from all over the country, all over the world. You can actually choose to only get things from your community. You can type in your zip code, just get fresh produce from your community. So the third reason is we're helping support local jobs. So helping yourself by saving yourself time and money, helping the environment by cutting down on the emissions, and helping the community by supporting local jobs. Spud.com, I love this one. Enjoy it. I'll have more for you real soon. Have a beautiful day.